What's up, y'all? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this blessed studio, the Jaren Emliger Studio. I was planning on doing this video initially, but I heard the song and I heard the video and I was like, I need to talk about this. This is some good music making right here. So let's get into it, y'all. Here is my own voice analysis of BJ the Chicago Kid and COCO Jones singing Spend the Night at the 2023 Soul Train Awards.
Baby, take a load off and don't hold back. I'll take the weight up off your shoulder. You know I'll do that. Wake up to loving in the morning.
It's like he's singing in a snarl. So it's like his face kind of has a snarl and he's kind of singing through that snarl. In a nice, like, heady yet really strong falsetto-y sound. Kind of like that.
If you spend the night rolling around from the floor to the bed,
flow to the bed. You hear the little vocal slide on flow to the bed. And it's a little bit of a breathy throw on bed too. So there's not a lot of vibrato here. Da 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 from the door, da 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 da. And it fits the pacing of the song. You know, there's a lot of words to get through. And it's a bit of a faster song. See the one da 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 from the floor to the bed. No, you don't want that other kind of song. You want it to be smooth and have a little finesse, you know?
You out of my mind, you live free in my head,
free in my head. You kind of have like a upwards vocal fry moment. Free in my head, and it's not my head, right? So it's a little bit of a cut off syllable, if you will. Instead of my, the diphthong is there. It's my head.
Inside a lucid dream, everything's what it seems. Come closer to me, come closer to me.
Closer, not closer. Closer to me, closer to me, closer to me. Instead of closer to me, closer to me. But our brain still heard closer to me. We still heard that. But it's closer to me. Phonetically and literally, it's closer to me, closer to me. You see what I'm saying? These phonetics, linguistics, all that kind of stuff, AAV, all of that influences how we sing. All of that influences how we sing, for real.
Into the night, I see stars in your eyes. Got me tripped and hypnotized from the way that they shine. Stuck inside a lucid dream. Everything's what it seems. Come close.
That was nice. Open up the vowel on that. Had a few vocal emphasis moments. Vocal emphasis. Like glottal emphasis moments right there. Yeah.
Listen, don't wanna think about it, do it till it feels right. Yeah. Don't wanna think about it.
And there's a reason why the articulation is a little more percussive. It fits with the skating vibe, the dancing vibe of the song. Think about it, do it tonight. Yeah, I wanna think about it. You don't wanna think about it. No, you want a little bit more of a marcato or separated sense to it. So that little bit of that separation in the articulation gives a little bit of percussive forwardness to the vocal line. Don't wanna think about it, do it. And I'm getting the words totally wrong. But you see what I'm saying? I'm showing you conceptually what I'm talking about.
Don't wanna think about it, do it till it feels right. Yeah, we can do it all night. Yeah. Time is ticking, baby, take a load off. I take the weight up off your shoulders. Yeah, wake up to loving in the morning. Yeah.
Morning, not morning. Morning. You see how it's more brighter, the tongue is more higher on morning instead of morning. So the G of the NG morning is off. Morning instead of morning.
If you spend the night with me, yeah.
It's the way that your body's all on my body, boy, it's a party.
Yeah.
Can't lie, I'm addicted, want it like quick, now that you started it. You know that I feel it too.
You know that I'm feeling through. Little vocal fry right there. And again, a lot more straight notes. There's not a lot of vibrato happening here. It's a lot more straight notes. It's kind of like a techno or like a disco rapping moment. A little bit, right? It's kind of like a rapping disco skating rink type of song. Yeah, I like it though.
You got me inside my head. I'm thinking about things you do to me.
Inside my head, inside my head. It said inside my, that diphthong was taken off too. So what's inside my head? Think about the things you do to me. So she repeated the do to me. Kind of like that. So she's changing the articulatory pattern of the phonetics of what she's singing too. Yeah.
Come closer, boy, the night's over. When I say it's over, yeah, yeah. When I touch you, baby, then you touch me. I wanna be closer, yeah, yeah.
Did you hear over? It's over. Closer. Again, taking off those syllables. It helps with the flow of the vocal line when you do it like this.
Love it when you wake me up like coffee, no poses. Ooh, we got a feeling that you might get lucky, no clovers.
Don't wanna think about it, do it, till the do it was right. Yeah, we could do it all night. Yeah, yeah.
Time is ticking, baby, take a load off.
Don't hold back. I like the little scoops in the background. Don't hold back. I like that. Little breathy scoops. I like that.
Take the weight upon your shoulders.
Wake up to loving in the morning.
Give me you spend the night with me. Yeah, yeah.
Time is ticking, baby, take a load off.
I'll take the weight upon your shoulders.
Now he's getting a little bit more beefy up here in this chorus right here. I'll take the weight up on his shoulder. So he's kind of getting more chesty, more thicker in this part of the song. As before, he's kind of more breathy, lighter, a little bit more lighter and airier, if you will. A better word to say is heady, more heady, thin fold, falsetto-y sound.
Wake up to loving in the morning.
If you spend the night with me.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next week so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, vocally you. All right, y'all, love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all soon.